Building a website for your tax preparation service should not be difficult, and it shouldn't be expensive either. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to build a simple website on the multi-sites platform for your tax preparation service. Now, if you haven't heard of multi-sites before, multi-sites is an easy-to-use website generator for small businesses. You can literally launch your own website in less than 1 minute. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. You don't even have to put your credit card details in like most other online services. So make sure you click on the link below this video to start that free trial and give it a go. Once you join the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your market. Now, we have hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. We currently have over 900, and we are adding more every single week. If you're battling to find your market over here in the list, do comment below and let us know. We will make sure that we add it. So I'm going to head to the top and search for my market tax preparation service. There it is over there. Let's go ahead and select that template. Great. Let's tell multi-sites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to pop in my city and my state or region, and it doesn't matter where in the world your business is located. You can enjoy the multi-site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and click on continue and let multi-sites generate a website for us using the information we've just put in. And there you have it. It's literally done it in a couple of seconds. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of multi-sites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course, just to make your life as easy as possible when it comes to launching a website. We've also pre-selected all the images. They're all very professional looking, as you can see, very high quality. And the great thing about it is they're completely free to use. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images you'd like to showcase on your website, maybe make 1 or 2 amendments to this content, make it a bit more personalized to your business and the services you offer. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to do that. It's super simple. You don't need to know any coding or be a web professional in any kind of way. And you certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself. So let's get started. I'm going to click on the first section at the top, pop in my email address over here. I want to make sure that that's visible on my website for my customers to see. So I'm going to go ahead and tick that box. Awesome. Let's pop in our phone number over here. That is click to call, by the way. And if you have a physical location, put it in over here. If you want to leave it off, that's completely okay as well. But the great thing about that address, when your website's live, your customers can actually click on the address and be taken directly to Google Maps for directions. And update social links, you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Once you've put in the links, the icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. Now, if you have a business logo, head on over to the next section to upload it. Once your logo has been uploaded, you can make slight amendments to it. You can crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames with our logo editor by clicking on the pencil. Otherwise, click on save, and here on the right is where you can make your logo bigger and smaller. Now, with multi-sites as well, we pre-selected the colors for you. If you'd like to change them to go a little bit better with your branding or your logo, click on that paint bucket bottom right-hand corner, go through the various color palettes available for you to use. For each section you'd like to make a little bit more personalized to your business, click on the update section, the button directly underneath it. Head on over to update image first. This is where you can browse your device if you have your own images, or search through the photo library, hundreds of high quality images to choose from, and they're all completely free. You also have the option to connect your Instagram account with a click of a button and automatically pull in all those images from your Instagram account if you have a profile. Under update action, we have the call to action buttons, the text. You can amend them, put in your own text there, and link the buttons to various places like another website if you wanted to, or a PDF file, which is a great way to put more details about your services and your rates in PDF format. In the last section, we have a lead generation form where your customers can easily reach out to you, keep track of all your leads in your Marty dashboard. If you have a custom domain for your business, go ahead and click on that yellow button at the bottom, connect your domain. Here we go. Go ahead and click that to connect it. If you don't have a domain yet and you really want one to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors, go ahead and click that button as well, because you can actually purchase a custom domain via our platform as well. Really hope the short tutorial was helpful in building websites on the multi-sites platform for your tax preparation service. And I'm really wishing you and your business mighty success.